What makes a man fall in love with a woman? Have you ever wondered what makes a man fall deeply in love with a woman? Is it her stunning looks, her captivating personality, or something more profound? The truth is, it's not just one thing, but a combination of essential ingredients that ignite a man's heart and mind. In this video, we'll explore the 8 key elements that make a man fall in love. Whether you're single, in a relationship, or simply curious about the mysteries of the male heart, this video is for you. Learn how emotional connection, respect, shared values, physical attraction, trust, empathy, sense of humor, and independence can ignite a man's heart and mind. So let's dive in and discover the secrets that make a man fall head over heels in love. 1. Emotional connection. A strong emotional bond is the cornerstone of any loving relationship. Emotional connection involves feeling understood, valued, and accepted. For a man, falling in love often begins when he feels that he can be his authentic self around a woman without fear of judgment. This sense of safety is cultivated through shared experiences, honest conversations, and mutual support. Emotional connect can be built by engaging in meaningful conversations where both can openly share thoughts, dreams, and fears. Listening attentively shows genuine interest and care. Being willing to open up about past experiences, feelings, and challenges helps to create a safe space. When a man sees a woman willing to be vulnerable, it encourages him to do the same. Doing things together, whether it's traveling, hobbies, or even tackling challenges, helps to build memories and deepen emotional bonds. 2. Respect and admiration. Respect is foundational in making a relationship thrive. When a man respects a woman, it means he sees her as an equal, values her opinions, and admires her strengths. This admiration could stem from her intelligence, creativity, kindness, or determination. A man is more likely to fall in love when he sees qualities in a woman that he respects and can look up to. Respect grows when partners appreciate each other's unique qualities, acknowledge and celebrate the things that make the other person special. When a man sees a woman striving for her ambitions and encouraging him to do the same, it creates a partnership that inspires admiration. 3. Shared values and interests. Having common values, life goals, and interests can help build a sense of unity. Shared values make it easier to understand each other's perspectives and navigate life's challenges together. When a man feels that his principles align with a woman's, he sees the potential for a future together. By engaging in activities that both enjoy, whether it's cooking, music, fitness, or volunteering, finding common ground helps build connection. Conversations about aspirations, family, career, and life philosophies help in understanding each other's vision. When values align, it creates a sense of compatibility that strengthens the relationship. 4. Physical attraction. Physical attraction is often the initial spark that draws two people together, but it's more than just about looks. It's about how someone presents themselves, their confidence, and the way they carry themselves. A man may be captivated by a woman's smile, the way she laughs, or even her body language. These elements contribute to creating a sense of allure. Confidence can be incredibly attractive. How a woman walks, talks, and interacts can make a lasting impression. It's about feeling comfortable in one's skin. A warm smile, eye contact, and natural gestures make interactions more engaging. Authenticity in how someone expresses themselves often deepens attraction. 5. Trust and reliability. Trust is the bedrock of any lasting relationship. A man needs to feel he can rely on a woman, whether it's in keeping promises, maintaining honesty, or providing emotional support. Trust builds a sense of security, which is essential for love to flourish. Being consistent in words and actions helps build trust. When a woman consistently shows up for a man, it strengthens the bond. Open and honest communication about feelings, needs, and expectations prevents misunderstandings and fosters trust. Being there during difficult times shows reliability. When a man knows he can count on a woman, it deepens his sense of attachment and love. 6. Empathy and understanding. Empathy allows individuals to feel heard and understood. A woman who is empathetic listens attentively, validates feelings, and shows compassion. This emotional connection is vital because it makes a man feel accepted for who he truly is. Sometimes, the best support is simply being there to listen without offering solutions. Empathy is about understanding what the other person is going through. Understanding takes time, and being patient with each other's flaws and imperfections shows empathy. It builds a sense of trust and emotional safety. Small gestures of care, like a comforting word or a gentle touch, go a long way in showing empathy and understanding. 7. Sense of humor. Laughter is a powerful tool for building connections. A shared sense of humor helps ease tension, bring joy, and create memorable moments. When a man and a woman can laugh together, it creates a bond that makes the relationship more enjoyable and resilient. Finding joy in small, everyday things can lead to spontaneous laughter. A playful spirit often brings people closer. Sometimes, humor can lighten up even difficult situations. Being able to laugh through challenges together strengthens the relationship. Inside jokes create a unique bond between two people. They become symbols of shared experiences and a source of comfort. 8. Independence and self-confidence. Independence is about maintaining one's sense of self while being in a relationship. Self-confidence, on the other hand, reflects a strong belief in one's own worth. When a man sees a woman who is confident and independent, it shows that she values herself and is capable of handling her own life. This strength can be incredibly attractive. Maintaining hobbies, interests, and friendships outside of the relationship shows independence. It keeps the relationship dynamic and interesting. Confidence is about knowing what you want and being able to communicate it. It prevents misunderstandings and ensures mutual respect. Taking care of one's physical and mental well-being reflects self-love. Confidence often shines through when someone is comfortable with themselves. Conclusion. Love is not something that can be forced or manufactured. It's a feeling that grows naturally over time. For a man to fall in love with a woman, there needs to be a combination of emotional connection, trust, shared values, admiration, and physical attraction. Each of these elements helps to build a bond that is not just romantic, but also respectful, supportive, and enduring. Love begins with an initial spark, but it's these deeper connections that keep it alive, growing stronger with each shared experience, conversation, and moment of understanding.